Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, in my video today, I'm just going to show you how I use cardboard and some Poundland mirrors to make this beautiful rope mirror. Guys, it turned out so well. You want to stick till the end with me. As you can see, I have some cardboard. I use a plate to draw a bigger circle than the mirror that I got from the pound store, and then I just use my scissors to cut it out. I'm struggling here, so guys, please be very careful with your scissors if you intend to try this DIY at home. So after I've cut out the circles that I need, I got my hot glue and then just start putting some on the first circle that I've cut out. I need two because the mirror is quite thin, so I need two to kind of stack it. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment and share. And if you're returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for checking out my video with me. I do appreciate it so much. So from there, I just went ahead with some hot glue onto my mirror and then just attach it to the two stack cardboard circles that I've cut out. And guys, please be very careful with your hot glue, as I've always said before. Once you finish with that, you just check around where the mirror and the cardboard meet. If it's not sealed enough, just go around with your hot glue and then just kind of close that gap between the cardboard and the mirror. And then from there, I use my blade. Now, I've always said this and I will continue to say it. Please be very careful with your blade. It is very sharp and you don't want to cut yourself, especially when you're cutting towards yourself. So I just marked around the mirror as to where the cardboard is, you know, over, and then just use my blade just to cut it off. As I said, please be very careful with your blade. And then once you get it out, you can just go around with your blade and just trim the excess which is hanging. So I saw this mirror idea on Wayfair and theirs is 57 pounds, but it's been reduced. And also it doesn't have the rope on it. It has like a gold string around it, but I just decided to use the rope because I have it here. Now from there, I just went around with the rope that I have this rope I think about a year now, or more than a year, actually more than a year. I got it on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I just hot glue it onto the cardboard and close enough to the mirror so when I finished it, it doesn't look all off. It looks close enough to the mirror and it looks really nice. So once I carry the rope around and hot glue it, I just, again, be careful with your blade. Just cut where the first end of the rope meet and then just attach it with some hot glue. And then here, I'm just going around, you know, cleaning off the excess hot glue which is there. Yeah, and as I said, you know, go around with it. So we go around the mirror with some hot glue and then just try to keep it in place, because the hot glue, it does set a lot quicker than any other glue. I mean, I do want to use back some of these stuff, that's why I'm using hot glue. But if you intend to, you know, keep it, you can absolutely use something a bit stronger, E6000 or even crazy glue. It's totally up to you. So in the process, I made 5 of these mirrors. So I'm just going to put them in the section, or put them in how I want them to sit as a complete set. So I put 3 at the bottom, and actually I'm just mimicking what I saw on Wayfair. Oh my god. What I saw on Wayfair, just that I'm not using the gold string or gold line around it. No, I'm just using a rope. Yeah, I'm mumbling, isn't it? Yeah, but after I set it out, I got my popsicle sticks. I got these popsicle sticks from One Below. Unfortunately, One Below is closing. I'm so sad. But anyway, they have loads of sale, 25p, 75p, 50p. So if you guys want to check it out in Edmonton Green, just go ahead and do so. I'm really disappointed, but that's how it goes. So I just had some crazy glue and just some glue just to hold it in place until the crazy glue dry. And actually it dries really quickly because it's cardboard, but please be very careful not to allow the crazy glue to catch your hand, because it does burn and it takes a while to get off. I mean, if you do get it on your hand, just use some nail polish remover to get it off, but please be very careful. And I just stack 3 pieces on it just to hold it in place, and then I go around the rope where it's connected to each of the frame and just put some good amount of hot glue, because I do want it to stick together and not move about whilst I hang it onto the wall. And I just went around the popsicle sticks and just put some glue just to keep it in place. Now, I wanted to hang it with something else other than the rope, but I wasn't feeling it because it mean I'd have to, you know, put some holes in it or that. So what I did, I just measured a piece of the rope, and then just with the loose bit which is hanging from the rope, I just used some tape just to keep it in place. And then from there, I just use some more of the crazy glue and then hot glue, and just hold it in place, and then just, you know, hot glue it onto how I desire, how I would want it to look. And it turned out really nice. There's so much things you can do with Poundland mirrors, and this is a huge example of what you can do with a bit of cardboard and rope. And this is what it looks like compared to theirs at the beginning, and mine, which cost me £8.50, and theirs is £57, which is reduced. Mine is looking absolutely beautiful. Guys, comment below and let me know what you think about my video. I'm loving it. Trayvon is loving it. I showed Gabbo already. Sorry, I showed Gabbo. I showed Gabbo already, and he's really liking it. So guys, comment below and let me know what you think of my video. Also guys, please check out my playlist below. Please check out my playlist below, and also comment on my video. Hit me up on Instagram and let me know what you think. If my videos are connecting with you, let me know what you think in the comment section or on Instagram, guys. So guys, thank you so much for checking out my video with me. It's been a pleasure to do another video with you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed. I hope to see you guys in my next video on Saturday. Thank you. Bye bye.